Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Skincare Purify Charcoal Peel Mask. If you guys would like some more information, just be sure to check my video description for it. Skincare Purify Charcoal Peel Mask is a great peel mask that draws out impurities from congested skin. I actually told my husband he should be taking better care of his skin because he usually doesn't use masks or he'll have like a skin regimen or anything like that. And like, you know, he gets blackheads, his skin gets dry. So he really needs to take better care of it. So he went to the store and he got this. He sees me using masks all the time at home. So, you know, I guess he decided he wanted to give one a try. This is dermatologist tested and it's 4.2 ounces or 125 milliliters. And it's just very easy to use. So it pulls away pore clogging dirt and debris with the Skincare Purifying Charcoal Peel Off Facial Mask for Men. The properties in the activated charcoal act like a magnet, binding to excess oil and impurities in your skin. And it definitely helps with like blackheads and stuff like that. Charcoal is actually like really popular right now. I don't know if you guys have noticed. They make like the pore strips with charcoal and they make charcoal toothpaste even and stuff like that. It's a really great ingredient. And then this is like an easy to open container, and they make different masks for different things too. You could open it this way. It is completely black and it dries pretty quickly. I like that it's designed with the cap like this so that you could snap it closed and store it easily in your medicine cabinet. So this is the back of the product. It says charcoal helps to draw dirt and debris from deep inside clogged pores. That's including like blackheads, whiteheads. It is cruelty-free and free from parabens, sulfates, and artificial dyes like their other products, so it does not test on animals. And then the directions are very simple. You could apply to clean, dry face in a thin, even layer. Relax for 20 minutes until the mask dries completely, and then gently peel the mask off, starting with the edges of your face. And then you can rinse your face with warm water. And then it says to use once a week for the best results. So it helps keep your skin like hydrated and healthy. And it's very easy to use, like I said. So it's great for that. And then I think it's like really nice. It's fragrance free, so it doesn't have like any kind of scent or anything like that, which is great if you have like sensitive skin or if you're sensitive to any smells or anything like that. The size is good, should last you a while. I like this product even better than like the other mask that he tried, the vitamin C peel off mask, which I did another video for that you could check out. I just feel like this does more and removes more like a debris and stuff like that from the skin. But it's not easy to remove. That's the issue, I think, with these masks. It says that they come off. You kind of expect them to just peel off in one piece. That doesn't happen. It's kind of harder to remove because you have to remove it in little pieces. Not that it's the worst thing, but it's just like a one like offset of this product. But I do like it, and you can definitely notice the difference after, I think, because especially if you have like blackheads, you can see that it's like pulls them out. So just be sure that you just like make sure that it dries all the way, because if it's not dry all the way, it's not going to do its job before you pull it off. And then like any black spots that do get left over from it, you could always just like rinse those off or use a scrub afterwards. But it's definitely great for the price that it is. And I think it's just definitely something that's good to have in your medicine cabinet and just to have part of your skincare regimen, because skincare is so important for everybody, including men. So I hope you guys found this video useful. It was the Skincare Purify Charcoal Peel Mask. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.